I'm in a 2015 Subaru Legacy, and today I'm going to show you to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then while the vehicle's off and cooled down, you work with this system, but this goes to your radiator. This is the main reservoir that you'd normally add to. And again, don't do this while it's hot, just because this liquid can get to a boil, and it works under pressure, so you don't want a bunch of poisonous boil liquid to shoot out onto you. And on the side, you can see there's a full mark down here and a low mark, so this is supposed to be a lot of air gap, so don't fill all the way to the top. And double check your owner's manual, good on line source to make sure the type of liquid you've got is the best match for your make and model. And you also typically want to match to the same color and type of coolant that's already in here. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. And then to add, when you're ready, you just pop this open, and then with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, just fill as needed until you get to that full mark. And then you pop this closed again. If it got really low and you want to check here for some reason, you can also look in here, but you just push down slightly and twist about twice, and this just pops right off. And you'd see coolant right here in the middle. And you can add more if you need, but when you're done, just make sure you screw this back on nice and tight. You make sure especially this one isn't loose, because that would start spraying coolant out everywhere while you're driving. Once you've done all that, I would start the motor and run it for a few minutes, and then check all over the engine bay, run all the lines, all the reservoirs, the radiator, and under the car, see if you have any liquid starting to form. If it's coolant, that might indicate there's a leak or crack somewhere in that area of the system. That's something you need to get repaired. And a way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is if it's coolant, it'll have a slight coloration to it. It'll have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on and feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to water. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.